A lot of people don't know this, but your social media account can get deleted at any time. Just look at this guy. His Instagram account got deactivated and never got his Instagram back. And this happens to a lot of influencers. This can happen to anybody. I know people with hundreds of thousands of followers who just got their account deactivated. So today I'm going to show you how you can have your very own email with custom domain, just like this, in your very own custom mailbox for just under $12 a year. Very cheap. In my opinion, this is probably as cheap as you can get. It's $1 a month. I mean, come on. And finally, I'm going to show you where you can get a landing page just like this, where people can sign up for your newsletter into your custom domain. So very exciting. Let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is head on over to cloudflare.com, sign in to Cloudflare, and then very easy, just click on domains here. You see domains, and you can click on buy domain. Just buy whatever domain you want. I bought alrudy.com. Very impulsive buy just because it was 6 words. People are calling it AI Rudy, so people are already mispronouncing it.
And so right now, alrudy.com does not have an email provider. So there are a couple options that you can choose from. Now, the best option, in my opinion, is Zoho. Okay, Zoho is only $1 a month, and you can have a custom email inbox. Let's just click buy now. Proceed to domain verification. Now we have to verify the domain. So let's go to proceed to, I'm going to add an existing domain. So the domain is alrudy.com. Organization is going to be called alrudy.
Okay, so after we buy our domain, the next thing we want to do is come over to Zoho, zoho.com, and then just click on mail here, and you're just gonna sign in to all of this. And the next steps is us setting up how to get your inbox so that you can get something that looks like this.
Prove your domain ownership by DNS authentication. After authentication, Zoho will add a DNS record in your DNS provider and your domain will be verified automatically. Okay, so log into my DNS. I'm using Cloudflare, so Cloudflare is just going to show up. So after that, you can see here, authorized DNS records from Zoho. This is a one-time authorization. It's going to show you this TXT, your domain name, verification stuff, and we're going to authorize. So very exciting. We have set it up now. And now we have basically after this is done, we have a custom email for $12. Come on. Okay, my login address will just be Rudy. Create. I am super administrator. Okay, so next, set up users. Okay, that's me. All right, done. And then proceed to set up groups. Proceed to DNS. So I don't need groups right now. Okay, so let's go into the next one, DNS mapping. Now, next DNS mapping, just log into my DNS again. Point your domain's MX records and configure the SPF and DKIM records in a single click. You might have already authenticated your Zoho Mail account to your DNS provider in the domain verification step. Yes, we did. Okay, so just log into that. Look at that. It's all done for you. Oh. Okay, so here you go, all done for you. You just authorize, and that's it. It's configured. Proceed to mail migration. Data migration helps you to migrate your existing emails, contacts, and other data from your previous email server to the Zoho Mail server. You can migrate these data via POP and IMAP protocols, or from other email providers. I don't think we have to migrate any data. So let's go to configure mobile. So this is if you want to put your email onto your phone. Okay. So we'll just do that next time. So proceed to setup completion. And I'm done. Check out my inbox. Hello. Okay, and there you go. Now you have your very own email in your very own domain. Congratulations. You are officially entrepreneur, solopreneur. You have basically a custom email. Okay, so new mail. Let's send a mail to myself. hello. And I'm gonna go hello from Zoho Mail. My first custom email. Well, and there you go. I have received a mail from myself. How exciting is that? Now, so I'm just going to reply to myself. Well done. What a great job. Now we're going to open our email. As you can see, look, our inbox. And there you go. We have an email right here from myself that says, well done. What a great job. So I hope you're able to create your very own custom email right now.
The error that you could possibly get is if you get this Zoho mail notification. Now, if you get this notification that says DKIM entries in your domain DNS are not configured to match with Zoho, configure DKIM for better email deliverability. Anything that threatens email deliverability, we need to fix it. So let's click configure now. Very important. And then just click on that. And as you can see here, it says unverified. Domain key is unverified and you really want it to be verified. So click on unverified here, log into my DNS, just click verify that. And once that's done, there you go, verified. Oh, excellent. Excellent, excellent. Now let's see, do we have any more? Do we have any other issues? Okay, there you go. Completed. Status completed. Now, the final step is head on over to kit.com and then click on your profile here and then click on settings. And then from here, we're going to go to email. Okay, so this is why we need you to buy your own custom domain, because as you can see here, I have a Gmail attached to Kit. This Kit is what you're going to be using to be sending your newsletters out. Okay, so as you can see here, Gmail is a free address. It may negatively impact your deliverability. You don't want that. You do not want that. Okay, so always get a custom domain. So right now I'm going to resend confirmation to verify the domain, because you first need to verify your domain with Kit. So after I do that, I'm just going to go to my new mailbox again. And as you can see, I got an email from Kit. And I'm going to verify my email. And once I do that, confirm, perfect. And now with this one, I think you can just delete it. You can actually just delete it. Okay, and set this one to the default email. Set that custom email to default email. And that's it. There you go. And now you can just delete this one. Okay, delete it. Now, you might come across this problem, okay, where it says some records do not match your DNS setting. All you have to do is click fix this for me. Okay, and I'm going to continue. So let's just confirm my email. Let's just use my new email. Let's go and verify. Look at that. Look at that new email. How cool is that? This is a new email. Okay, paste the secret number here. Paste that secret number. Analyze DNS. Now it's just gonna do this for me. Authorize with Cloudflare. Click authorized. And that's it. Done. Now let's click on that validate button. And there you go. That is done. Okay, now the absolute final thing that you have to do. You see this up here? Some features of your account are disabled until it has been approved by our team. Now all you have to do is email help@kit.com. Once you send them an email, they're gonna ask you to share a link to your website, blog, or social media pages. Will you be importing subscribers? What will you be emailing them about? So just reply to this email, and once you're approved, then you can start collecting emails. Before that, you are not allowed to collect emails because they will not send out any emails to confirm subscription. So if you want full access, you have to do this last step. This last step is so important, okay? Very easy. Okay, so that's it. Today you have learned how to buy your own domain, get your own custom email domain, how to set up Kit so that you can start collecting emails and sending out newsletters. So, what a productive 15 minutes, 10 minutes this has been. And hope you learned something new, and I'll see you in the next video.